तो जब हम सिक्स सेमेस्टर का जो पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बगैर एक और पेपर था दैट इज़ डेमोक्रेसी एंड गवर्नमेंट, जब हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो इसकी जो कीज़ है 20 सीरीज़ है मेरे पास। जो पहला क्वेश्चन है दैट इज़ विच आर द फॉलोइंग ग्रांट्स रिकॉग्निशन टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज टू इलेक्शन कमीशन, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है अ नेशनल पार्टी इज़ वन विच, इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है, secures at least 6% of the valid votes polled in any 4 or more states in general election to Lok Sabha. In addition, if it wins at least 4 Lok Sabha seats in any state or states. तो पहले क्वेश्चन का इलेक्शन कमीशन है कि वो रिकॉग्नाइजेशन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को देता है, और नेशनल पार्टी वो होती है जिसको 6% वोट्स आते हैं लोकसभा के किसी इलेक्शन में, तो ऑप्शन ए इसका है। For every federation which one of the following is a must, तो written constitution इसके लिए ज़रूरी है। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो है which one is not the feature of federation, supremacy of parliament, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 Gram Sabha consists of all the villagers living in the area of panchayat. Question number 6 Gram Panchayat is the executive organ of Gram Sabha. उसमें ग्राम पंचायत का एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्गन होता है ग्राम सभा। विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद पॉलिसी मेकिंग के साथ कौन सा डील नहीं करता है लेजिस्लेटिव एग्जीक्यूटिव नीति आयोग, तो प्रेशर ग्रुप आंसर करेक्ट है। इंडिया अडॉप्टेड पॉलिसी ऑफ लिबरलाइजेशन 1991, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ लिबरलाइजेशन, दैट इज कंट्रोल्ड इकोनॉमी, under whose prime ministerialship policy of liberalization was adopted, Narasimha Rao. People of India have the right to move to the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights under which article? Article 32. Question number 12. Name the writ which is issued for preventing an inferior court from exceeding its jurisdiction. और इसका आएगा writ of prohibition. What is the purpose of e-governance? Making full use of IT, making the system transparent to put an end to red tapeism. All the above इसका correct answer है। Question number 14 जो है which of the following democracy is based on Westminster model? Parliamentary democracy is the correct answer. Name the writ where the detained person is to be produced before the court. Habeas corpus. Objective of competition commission of India include the following except one. D इसका करेक्ट आंसर है, नॉट टू एंश्योर फ्रीडम ऑफ ट्रेड। टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया इश्यूज ऑर्डर्स एंड डायरेक्शंस ऑन द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट्स एक्सेप्ट वन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 जो है इसका आएगा मोबाइल नंबर पोर्टेबिलिटी। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्डर्स ऑफ ट्राई वाज क्वाश्ड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट एज अनरीजनेबल एंड अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल? क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 इज नॉट क्लियर। Question number 19. Prior to the establishment of TRAI, the regulation of telecom service and tariff was overseen by central government. Question number 20. Who is the current chairman of TRAI? Current chairman जो है वो है PD Waghela, but as far as options are concerned, options गलत है। Question number 20 के chairman of TRAI. Purpose of TRAI is to all the above. 22. Competition Act 2002 replaced MRTP Act with effect from 2009. Option A. Which one of the following is not true about e-governance? E-governance. Question number 23. Which one of the following is not true about e-governance? It provides different services at one window. It reduces paperwork. It speeds up operations and saves time. It is only used between government to government. तो option D इसका correct answer है. That is not true about e-governance. Federalism demands written constitution. Question number 25. Which of the following articles provides that there shall be a Supreme Court of India? Article 124. The President of India can seek advice of the Supreme Court, so that is advisory jurisdiction. Question number 27. Representative democracy is also known as parliamentary, liberal, Westminster, all the above. Question number 28. 73rd Amendment Act regarding Panchayat Raj was passed in the year. 1992. Narega was passed by Lok Sabha, August 2005. Narega came into force in February 2006. Which one of the following statement is true regarding Indian Federation? Powers are divided between the center and states by the Constitution. Question number 32. Which one of the following has described Indian Constitution as quasi-federation? Professor K.C. Vyare. Supreme Court is a must, especially when the system is federal one. Under certain extraordinary conditions, the Union Parliament has the power to make laws even on स्टेट लिस्ट, सेंटर लिस्ट, कंकरेंट लिस्ट. सेंटर लिस्ट पे ऑलरेडी इसको है, कंकरेंट लिस्ट पे भी इसको कभी कभार होते हैं जब स्टेट और सेंटर के बीच होता है. तो स्टेट लिस्ट, क्योंकि यहाँ ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन है अंडर certain extraordinary conditions this union parliament has the power to make laws even on. laws on अगर होता तो all of these आता, but to make laws even on, तो even on के लिए यहाँ पर आएगा state list अंडर आर्टिकल 249. राज्यसभा इसको एम्पावर करती है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 सीरीज बी स्टेट लिस्ट ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 विच आर्टिकल डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया एज अ फेडरेशन? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहीं पर फेडरेशन यूज ही नहीं हुआ है. आर्टिकल 1 डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया एज अ यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स, सो नन, डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 द पावर ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू डिस्क्राइब द वैलिडिटी ऑफ लॉ ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव is known as judicial review. Question number 37. Judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President in consultation with Chief Justice and such other judges. Option C. Question number 38. India has adopted each of the following democratic model, liberal model. A. Democracy is identified with universal franchise, fair, free and periodic elections, party system, all of these. Indian Parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President. Constitution lays down that there can't be a gap of more than 6 months between two sessions of the parliament. Name the committee that suggested the organization of Panchayat Raj in the rural areas based on 3-tier system. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Chairman of SEBI. Question number 43. Chairman of SEBI is appointed by the central government. The power of the court to go beyond its jurisdiction by means of its decisions and directives is called as judicial activism. What does the abbreviation SMART in smart governance stands for? Option A. Simple, moral, accountable, responsive and transparent. Duration of every panchayat unless sooner dissolved under any law in force for the time being is 5 years. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India was set up under which sections of Telecom Regulatory Act 1997? Section 3. Headquarters of TRAI is in Delhi. Competition Commission of India was established under which of the following act? Competition Act 2002. Which act was replaced by the Competition Act 2002, MRTP Act? In order to ensure that their Indian users are fully aware of telecom services, TRAI introduced the following app except one. माई कॉल ऐप इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. प्ले स्टोर ऐप इज देयर, बट प्ले स्टोर ऐप के बारे में अगर हम देखेंगे तो दैट इज ऑटोमेटिक. एज फार एज डिवाइस का ओरिजिन जो है, डिवाइस की जो ब्रांड है, तो माई स्पीड अप एंड माई कॉल ऐप, तो प्ले स्टोर ऐप यहाँ पर है. 52. The board of CCI comprises of Competition Commission of India, that is 6 members and chairman. Certain provisions of the Competition Commission of India were challenged and act was amended by the Competition Act 2007. D. SEBI stands for Services and Exchange Board of India. SEBI has headquarters in Mumbai. Which one of the following does not form part of policy process? Policy initiation, policy formulation, implementation. So policy exhibition is the answer. E-governance is generally understood as the use of information and communication technology at all levels of the government. Information Technology Act was brought into force on 17th of October 2000. Which one of the following is defined NGOs as private organizations that pursue activities right this? The World Bank concept of judicial activism is mentioned in Article 21, but Article 21 is not the option, so none of the above is the answer of the 60th question.